When I read yesterday the report, when you explained to us in State House, when I went down and sat, I slept at 4 in the morning reading the 156-page document. Your Excellency, I must say to Senator Haji, Senator Haji and your team, I'm very proud of you, Mzee, because contrary to the skeptical positions we had, we are beginning to have a conversation on how to sanitize our politics. Your Excellency, starts by what Governor Joe said, being able to listen to every view, being able to give opportunity, even that Rendile, Your Excellency, who may never be the President of Kenya or may never be the Prime Minister, should have an opportunity to have a message to speak to the nation. Number two, Your Excellency, being the majority leader in the Senate, we in the Senate will stand for strengthening of devolution and sending resources to the grassroots. We, Your Excellency, will stand for ensuring that the devolution and centers of business are taken to grassroots so that young people at the local level get an opportunity to do business. Your Excellency, we will prioritize not the positions for the big boys, but for the opportunities for the young people, for the tea farmer, for the coffee farmer, Your Excellency, for every citizen of this republic to have an opportunity. If it was not for your leadership, Your Excellency, I come from one of the smallest communities in Elgeyo Marakwet County and one of the smallest communities in Kalenjin community. But Your Excellency, because of your leadership, I am proud to say I'm the majority leader in the Senate. We want a nation tomorrow where Arendile will say, I am proud to be the President of the Republic of Kenya. We want a nation tomorrow that the mobilization and the ethnic mobilization of politics is a thing of the past. And that's why we are here. And I want to promise this gathering and the people of Kenya that this document will come back to us. We in the Senate, we in the National Assembly, we at the grassroots must be able to sit down and tell ourselves frankly, Junaid, that a conversation of this nation cannot be clustered to form political alliances that are good to presenting other people to be anti-this and pro-this. God bless Kenya and God bless this republic.
Yeah.